Okay, so this is a site called Desmos, desmos.com, and it's got a free graphing calculator. So we're going to click on the graphing calculator, and over here on the left, and you can't quite see it, so let me move the window over, you've got like a little thing for your equation, whatever it is. So let's say you're looking to make a rational equation, which has always got a fraction in it. I'm just going to type like I made up x plus 2 divided by x minus 3. And notice as I hit the division sign, it just naturally made it into a fraction, and it graphs it over here. And I might need to expand or make the window smaller, depending upon how it shows up on the graph. Let's say I want to make this one so that it kind of expands outward. You can't see it, but over here on the right, there are these buttons. And so like I can zoom in, which of course is going to make a piece of it disappear, or I can zoom out like this. I can also go right up here to this little wrench, and I can change it so that my x-axis covers different values and my y-axis covers different values. So I might want to squeeze in on the x-axis and say make this -10 to +10 like that. All right, and you'll notice that it changes the scale here from -10 all the way to +10 over here. And I could do the same thing on the y-axis too if I wanted to. I could change this to -10 and +10. And often we have to change this in order just to see the whole thing. And notice that by changing the y-axis to -10 and +10, we can't see it. It's behind this. When I close out of this, we'll see the other piece. But we'll just click on the map of it somewhere, and it closes it out. And here's our picture. And we can see the vertical asymptote. We haven't talked, I think, at this point about vertical asymptotes, but there's a vertical asymptote right here that the graph is headed toward. And there's a horizontal one right here that the graph is headed toward. But you can do this for all of the graphs that you have to do in your project. Put them in here and let Desmos graph them. And then you can take a picture on your screen with a screenshot and turn that in as your example of whatever it is you're doing an example of.